Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Chrome. Press Ctrl+H for an immediate history panel. This is faster than menu hunting. Once done, notice the search box at the top. You'll use it to narrow results by keyword, site, or date. Make sure to allow the page a second to load if your history is large, because Chrome indexes entries as it renders. This first action gets you into the right interface where you can review, search, and manage records efficiently. Now you'll refine and act on entries. Type a site name or keyword into the history search to isolate relevant visits. This speeds up cleanup and review. Once results appear, check individual boxes to delete specific rows or click the three-dot menu next to an item for more options. If you need a comprehensive wipe, choose Clear Browsing Data, pick a time range, then select Cached Images, Cookies, or History. This gives you control over what stays and what goes. Finish by checking sync and privacy settings so you understand why items appear or don't. You can enable or disable history under Settings Sync to control whether visits show across devices. This explains discrepancies. Remember, incognito browsing won't be saved, so absence can be intentional. If history seems incomplete, restart Chrome and confirm you're signed into the correct account. If that fails, toggle Sync off and on to force a refresh. That restart and sync trick resolves most visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.